Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 14, and we're diving into the crucial topic of exception handling. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about understanding exceptions and errors, using try, except, else, and finally blocks, and even creating custom exceptions. Ready to handle errors like a pro? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics, understanding what exceptions and errors are in Python. Exceptions are events that occur during the execution of a program that disrupts the normal flow of instructions. Here's an example of an exception. In this example, we attempt to divide 10 by 0, which raises a zero division error. We use a try block to wrap around the code that might raise an exception, and an except block to handle specific exceptions gracefully. Next, let's explore the comprehensive handling of exceptions using different blocks: try, except, else, and finally. Here's how you can use all these blocks together. In this example, the try block attempts to execute the code that might raise exceptions. If an exception occurs, the appropriate except block is executed. The else block is executed if no exceptions are raised, and the finally block always executes, regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Finally, let's discuss custom exceptions and advanced error handling strategies. Custom exceptions allow you to define your own exception types for specific scenarios, enhancing code clarity and control. Here's an example of defining and raising a custom exception. In this example, value2higherror is a custom exception class that inherits from the base exception class. We define a function test_value that raises this custom exception if the input value exceeds 100. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to exception handling in Python. You've learned how to understand exceptions and errors, use try, except, else, and finally blocks effectively, and even create your own custom exceptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 15. Keep coding.